In today's video, we'll be making turnip cake. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. First, we'll need to steam our radish for about 7 minutes. In the meantime, add your rice flour, wheat starch, and then slowly add in the water. Mix until smooth. In your pan, saute 2 diced Chinese sausages over medium heat. Add in the dried shrimp. For your dried scallops, make sure to rehydrate them and soak them for at least 30 minutes, then dice and place into your pan. Then add in your steamed radish and give it a good mix. For the seasoning, add in your pepper and your salt, and then mix again. Then slowly add in our previously made mixture. Add in your sesame oil, and then mix again. It will start to thicken up pretty soon, so keep stirring until completely thick. Then remove from the pan and place it into your tins. We'll set this aside for now. When you're ready, you can steam them both for 45 minutes. After steaming, let the cake cool for at least 4 hours, and then when you're ready to serve, slice them into pieces and fry over medium heat until golden brown. And there you have it, your turnip cake. Enjoy!